You're missing
Where did
the
I...
semicolony boy on line
Semicolony
19.
boy? Where's the boy supposed to go?
Your line 19 is
Oh,
missing
19. Wait,
line
I don't...
19 is missing a semicolon.
Oh, I don't know. See, Python is still confusing me, even though it's been a few
And
days.
also you're missing the plus between the string and the other string.
Am I really? No way. Oh my god, no way.
You have syntax errors absolutely everywhere, is what I'm hearing.
No, he said he would hire me for Google. I'm fantastic. He said I have a chance. He said maybe. Quoting directly.
That's equivalent to I'll talk to you later.
No, it definitely means
I'll get
yes.
back to you eventually. I'll get back to you eventually.
HR will contact you at a later time.
No, at a later time. Oh my god, my heart can't take this.